Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python tutorial. And today we're going to learn about the loops, which there are two kinds of loops, while and for. Okay, both of them are very easy and convenient to use. After we've learned these components, we still have more components to learn. Okay, a good news for you. After we've learned this loop, and after we've and watched the next video, and we can make a game based on words like story. Yeah, just like that. So let's learn about loops today. There are two kinds of loops, while and for. Very easy to use. Such as, let me see, for counter. Okay, for this counter, you can type anything into it because it doesn't really matter. Anything into it. In range, this is the point. The range is the point. It's the main point. Okay, 0 to how many times do you want to repeat? For example, 10. Print hello. Let's try this out. Here, let's see. With 10 hellos here. Okay. It can be any number. Let's try it again. 5, because 10 minus 5, it's from 5 to 10, so it will repeat 5 times. It doesn't, yeah. Yeah, let's try something else. Something far more interesting than the one I just performed before. For x in range 0 to 10 equals to I plus 1. Okay, why am I saying that it is interesting? Because in a normal situation, I equals to I plus 1 will cause an error, but in range, in for loops, it will not cause any error. Let's see. No, oh my god. Okay, sorry, maybe it's updated and I know that I equals to 0. No, I mean like this. Save this. Oh no, sorry. Okay, it seems that the format has changed and we can actually do this. It's no longer interesting. But for loops can repeat things for a lot of times. For x in range. Yeah, okay. I equals to I minus 1. Print I. Let's try. Okay. How about if you want to print 10 to... If you want to print 10 to 1, just write this code. Yes. 10 to 1. Okay. While. while don't ever use this, because I mean, not don't you can use it, but not too frequently, otherwise your computer will crash. Example, while x equals to input, enter a word. While x equals to maybe something like apple, print apple, else print not apple, apple. Banana. Okay, one more indent here. How about if we enter apple? Oops. See? Oh no. Time to have it destructed, and we'll construct another terminal here. Okay, this code is very... My god, did it crash? I thought it crashed. Okay. Not only printing stuff, but also something far more interesting. Enter a word. Okay, we have a loop here. If you want to stop the loop, I'll perform it to you. If x equals to apple, print, y equals to input, continue, if y equals to y, pass. With I've taught it before. Else break. The break, what does it mean? It means stopping the loop from looping. Else pass. Okay, let's save our code here. Apple. See here? If I enter y here, if else block here, if we enter y here, it will continue to ask you if you want to continue. But if we answer n, which means no here, it will break us. Except for y, if I enter anything else, it will break the loop. Okay, so it's all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. We'll see you in the next lesson. Remember, in the next lesson, we're going to discover something very interesting. So don't miss it out. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.